Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Dear friends, I hope all of you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also well. Welcome to our online platform of NIVS Home School. Dear friends, now I am going to conduct an English first paper class for the students of class 7. Dear friends, today our discussed topic is Unit 3, Lesson 5. So, first of all, we will read the text and then we will try to solve exercise B. So, let us solve it. Lesson 5, the best friend. Okay. So, here are some keywords you need to know: slap, oasis, quick start, erase, engrave. Okay. So, let us come to the next page. Task A, read what Flora said to Farabi and when read and then read the story. That means we have to read the whole story. Don't be sad, Farabi, and don't be sad, Farabi, and don't think seriously about what your friend Harun did. I know a story about friends. Listen. That means he is telling a story. Two friends were walking through a desert. After a while, they had a quarrel, and one friend slapped the other in the face. Listeners, you know what is slap. Okay? The friend who got slapped was hurt. This is so simple that if any friend slap other, then the friend would get hurt. So, without saying anything, he wrote in the sand. That means the friend who got slapped wrote in the sand. Mark it, he wrote in sand. Today, my best friend slapped me in the face. That means today his friend slapped him in his face, and he write it on the sand. Okay. They kept walking until they found any oasis. Dear students, oasis means any garden having pond or water, tree in desert. This is called oasis. Okay. There they decide to take a bath. Okay. The one who was slapped before got stuck in the quick start and started going down. Dear students, this term quick start is quite unfamiliar to you. Quick start is a kind of wet sand. If anyone wants to pass that stand by walking or by running, then that person will go down and sink down. This is called quick start. So, that friend who got slapped before, he was going down on the quick start, but his friend saved him. That means that friend who slapped him saved his life. After he was saved, he wrote on a stone. That means a stone. Here he wrote on a stone. Today my best friend saved my life. Dear friends, this is the main consequences of this text, that when a friend saved his life, this time he wrote this speech on a stone. That means if you write anything on a stone, it will be everlasting. It will never be erased. And if you write anything in the sand, then it may be erased by the wind. So, this is the main fact here. Okay, then let us see what is written after that. The friend who slapped and saved his best friend asked, after I hurt you, you wrote in the sand and now you write on a stone. Why? That means the friend who saved his life and who slapped him asked him this. The other friend replied, when someone hurt us, we should write it down in the sand. the wind can erase it away. That means if you get any hurt from anyone, then try not to remember that hurt. But when someone does something good for us, we should engrave it on a stone. Okay, mark this. We should engrave it on a stone. Engrave means to write down. Okay, to cut for making letters, and by doing this to write anything is called engrave. Okay, on the stone. So on wind, so that it should be so that the wind can erase it. Okay, so no wind can erase it. Okay, it's right. That means if anyone write anything on the sand, then no one can or no wind can erase it. So that means we should remember, if anyone do any good for us, we should remember it or save it at our heart, but we should not save those feelings which hurt us, rendered by our dearest and nearest one. It may be friend or any relative. Okay, this is the main basis. Do you know the moral of the story? Flora asked. Farabi nodded and smiled. Yes, we should forget our hearts, but remember our good deeds forever. Okay, dear students, this is the basic information or basic saying of this speech. This is really very good story, and now we will try to solve task B. What is written here? Match the words or phrases with their meaning. Word or phrase, meaning. Heart. Dear students, you know that heart means what? So heart will match with which of these following? Then here we will read heart, oasis, quick start, erase, engrave. Okay, so let's try to solve. Heart will match with got physical pain when someone hits you or you fall. Okay, like this. Then oasis. I told you at the time of writing what is oasis. Oasis would match with our area in our desert where there are water and plants, etc. And then at the time of reading, I taught you about quicksand. So quicksand is a deep wet sand that works like a trap. If you walk on it, you will sink into it. So this is called quicksand. Erase. Erase means very easy. You know that eraser. So erase from eraser, erase. From erase, we got the word eraser. That means remove something completely. Then number 5, engrave. So what is raised here? Here, engrave. Cut words or designs on stone or wood. Okay, dear students, now I will discuss about how to write it. Imagine that answer to the question B. After writing it, you will write 1, although 1 is written here and the question number is B. So you may write here 1 because 1 is written here. So 1 will match with what? 1 will match with D. So 1 plus D. Then we will write everything. Then we will give equals heart. Heart. So after writing heart, we will write, then heart will match with got physical pain when someone hits you or you fall. Okay, by applying this process you will write it. don't give here plus or minus, don't need to give such kind of symbols. So I hope you will be able to write every steps from here, and your homework number 6 is about exercise B. Okay, so you will get the exercise B's answer here. Dear students, this is all about today's class. I hope you all have understood today's class and practice it more and more. And this is the end of the class. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.